Hello everyone, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my channel. I am back. Today we're going to be unboxing a very special product that I have received a few weeks ago and I just can't wait to unbox it. I've been really tempted to unbox it, but I promised myself not to unbox it without you guys, so that's how I am really devoted to you, to unbox stuff with you. I just want to make this clear because it is unboxing, so we need to unbox it with you. This is how it goes here. Okay? If you can see, I got a little tiny thing right here. ItsLaut Airpod cases. So we are going to be unboxing the ItsLaut Airpod cases. Okay, how the hell is Maureen gonna be unboxing and showing to us the cases, the AirPod cases, which she doesn't have an AirPod? Earrings is gonna everywhere. So 2 months ago I did bought an AirPod. I didn't feel like unboxing it with you guys, so I have broken my promise already, but I don't think it's like important. I don't know, it's too tiny and it's too, I mean, there's a lot of unboxings out there, AirPod unboxing, so I think it's not necessary for me to show the unboxing. So here is the AirPods that I bought. It matches my nails. Pretty, it's white, and I think I already scratched, even dropped it already right in here. If you guys can see this part right here. I was wishing I have a case to avoid scratches, but whatever. My first AirPods also. So without further ado, here is the unboxing of the ItsLaut AirPod cases. So here is the FedEx package that they've sent, and as always it's kind of like packaged internationally because this is from Hong Kong. ItsLaut's headquarters is in Hamburg, Germany, and they have offices in Hong Kong and here in the USA. So we're gonna unbox it now. I have my pink scissors here, so we're just gonna cut this open. And here it is, and oh my god! So I picked this one up first. This is the Dotty durable polycarbonate casing with 360 Dotty pattern. Dotty. So I think they just gave me one sample each. This is the Dotty for AirPods. As they said, this is your playful partner for your AirPods. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. So it says right here to pull to open, and then ooh, ta-da! That is so cool looking. Ooh, it's right there. So from like that to like that. A 360 pattern. It is ultra lightweight and a wireless charge compatible. There you go. There's the brand ItsLaut. And then when you open, they have this kind of styrofoamy thing like that. So we are going to try this on our AirPods. I'm assuming this is going to be the front too. If I open this, so the AirPod goes up, and then for some reasons I have to push it down. So I did put the AirPods on the case in a wrong way, so that's why it's lifted right there, and that's unsecured. The right way is to put the dots right there together in line, and then push it down and then close it, and there it go. Really cute. This is so cute. I love it. The first one, there is a part right there where you can charge it. So we're gonna test this case if this is a wireless charge compatible. I have my charger here. This is just the Insignia wireless charger. If it turns to blue, then it's charging. It's not. What the other side? Oh, there you go. So it works. So our next case is going to be this case, and is the Crystal X wireless charger compatible and compatible with AirPods 1 and 2. There's our AirPod case. Crystal X is anti-scratch and perfect to showcase the AirPods. It is a crystal clear design, anti-scratch, wireless charger compatible, and compatible with AirPods 1 and 2. So now we're going to test it if it's wireless charger compatible. Here's our charger, wireless charger, and it's charging. The next one is going to be Pastels, which is the lavender. I think this is the lavender. Ooh, that looks so pretty. It's really a rubber finish, guys. Look at that. Take this styrofoam, and then here it is. So now we are going to try it on our AirPods. Pastels for AirPods. Ultra lightweight and beautiful pastel shades, silky soft rubber finish, wireless charger compatible with AirPods 1 and 2. The fourth one is going to be the same finish as the last one that we just unboxed, but here it is, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. And again, this is a rubber finish. I love this color. Take the styrofoam off. Pastels for AirPods. Ultra lightweight and beautiful pastel shades, silky soft rubber finish, wireless charger compatible with AirPods 1 and 2. I love this color. Love, love, love. I kind of play with my cases right here and put this lavender color right as the body, and the top would be the pink one. So we will test this if this will wireless charge. And it does. The next case is going to be the Pod Neon for AirPods. Never find it a problem to find the AirPods in the dark with glow in the dark function. Silicone protective case, easy grip, and wireless charger compatible with AirPods 1 and 2. They kind of box this differently. Looks like that. So they boxed it differently, so we're gonna try open it like this. And this is kind of different with the other cases right here. We are going to put my AirPods right here. It's not going to easily come off because it's a rubber, but we will try the glow in the dark. It's dark in here. See? It glows in the dark. Super nice. So we're gonna test this if this is a wireless charger compatible, because it says right here that it is. And there you go. It's charging. And it's not even flat in the wireless charger, but it's still charging, so I think that's good. So guys, out of all this 5 case right here, I like the pastel ones because it's really pretty and colorful, especially in the summer. So glad that ItsLaut sent me this, and I'm so excited to use these and play with these colors right here. That is it for today's unboxing, guys, and I love the cases and everything. I'm gonna put all the prices in the description box. I'm gonna put also the website of ItsLaut.com, so you can check it out if you guys want to check it out. I really love the glow in the dark, which I can even use when I put my AirPods in my bag, and it's not gonna be hard to find my AirPods now since it will glow in the dark while it's in my bag, so that is really convenient. So that is it on the unboxing, guys. I love the cases and I don't have any problems at all. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!